aircraft and the pilot are pushed to the other end of the envelope and subjected to a negative 3.5 G. Now look on as he is banking to the right but turning left, giving cats red eyes.
جهزت هذه الطائرة بقمرة قيادية زجاجية كاملة، وهي أيضا قادرة على التزود بالوقود جوا، حيث طورت بأن تكون قادرة على التعامل مع الأهداف الجوية والأرضية بأنواع مختلفة من الأسلحة.
Next up is the aerial salute to the wonderful people of the United Arab Emirates who have made this land so prosperous, and of course to His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan. So look straight ahead as Katz positions himself for a vertical Charlie. There she pulls up, flaunting the Delta platform, and we would like to say, Tahia Emirati. Continue looking out as she comes down for the Formula One turn. Watch on as she manages a turn tighter than Michael Schumacher in his Ferrari. For all the Formula One enthusiasts out there, watch on as he effortlessly turns. Do not take your eyes off as he now positions for the slow march. This maneuver demonstrates the exceptional low speed capability of the aircraft. And please look to your left as Katz is knocking off some knots and flies at a staggering speed of just 120 knots. Positions of a half roll for the last maneuver, the Spider-Man farewell. He will now roll and invert his bird and bid farewell in the Spider-Man style. Ladies and gentlemen, do not forget to wave your hands at him when he flies past you, because he's looking at you inverted. And here he comes from the right. 3, 2, 1. And now here he is inverted. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, wave your hands to bid goodbye to the beautiful bird, Tejas.
تيجس قادرة على العمل في جميع المطارات والمعسكرات، وتصل في التحليق إلى ارتفاع 10,000 قدم فوق سطح البحر، وتم اختبارها في جميع أنواع الظروف المناخية والتضاريس المختلفة في الهند.
Atmanirbhar or Saksham, which means self-reliant and capable. And that is the message we bring to you through this beauty of a machine, talking in terms which all aviators and aviation enthusiasts would understand well.
منذ تصنيفها في عام 2016 كانت طائرة تيجس مركز الجذب في ساحات العرض ومركز المناقشة في غرف العمليات العسكرية.
Tejas, by design, is a lethal fighting machine, but it showcases its nimble maneuvering characteristics to enthrall the audience. It has an aerodynamically designed tailless compound delta platform, and of course, the relaxed static stability combined with the state-of-the-art fly-by-wire makes Tejas highly agile and maneuverable. The crew performing in Dubai belong to the number 45 and the number 18 squadrons of the Indian Air Force. And as we come towards the touchdown, that's it from me, from the Tejas commentary team. This is Maddie and
النقيب فاطمة.
Signing off. Shukran.
धन्यवाद.
आप कुछ कहना चाहोगे?
हमारे चैनल को लाइक करो, शेयर करो, कमेंट करो एंड सब्सक्राइब करो
और
ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करो
और